Hallo Leute, Herzlich, Willkommen bei Study German. Yesterday I asked you guys on Facebook, Instagram and some of my friends on WhatsApp to give me the hardest German words to pronounce, and I got bunch of them, like really bunch of them, and I was not expecting that much. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. I take quizzes and I chat with you guys on Instagram sometimes, so do follow me. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm having a phone and I asked my friend to write down all the words which you guys gave. So I haven't seen any of them. No, I have seen two because I got that from WhatsApp, but I have not read it, so this will be all first time. Let's see. Okay, let's go with the first word. Okay, so the words will be on the screen so that even you can try pronouncing it with me. Okay, let's try first. Etiketierung. I think that was right. Etiketierung. Let's see if we are right.
Etikettierung.
No, I think we are right.
Etikettierung.
Etikettierung. Yeah. Katierung. Okay, next. Good start. We were right. I'm happy we were right. Good start. Okay. Next. Okay, we have umlaut on O. That's like ew. Ew. So it might be Eichhörnchen, Brötchen, Eichhörnchen, yeah, Eichhörnchen. Let's see if we are right. I hope we are right, man, because this is easy. Okay, let's see.
Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen,
Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen, yeah, Eichhörnchen. It's a good facial massage. Eichhörnchen. Okay, let's do next. Okay, this one is given by my friend named Pranav. Okay, this is interesting. Streichholzschachtel. Streichholzschachtel. Is that right? Holz means wood, so it's something related to wood. Okay, let's first see that if we are right.
Streichholzschachtel.
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 Okay, they don't say tail. Okay, one more time.
Streichholzschachtel.
Streichholzschachtel. Oh my god. Okay, and it means matchbox. Okay, good one, Pranav. Okay, next. The words are getting bigger and bigger and longer. Let's see next. Okay, oh my god. Rechtschutzversicherungsgesell schaften. I think I did it. Okay, let's try it fast. Rechtschutzversicherungsgesell schaften. Rechtschutzversicherungsgesell schaften. Okay, let's see if we are right. I hope we are right.
Rechtsschutzversicherungsgesellschaften.
Rechtsschutzversicherungsgesellschaften. Embarrassing myself in front of all of you. Okay, by the way, it means legal expenses insurance companies. Do you guys even use these words? Why am I listening to these words for the first time? Anyways, next. Okay, this is the first word which requires 2 lines in this screen. I don't know how it will look here, but this has a umlaut. Okay, Hähnchen. So a Hähnchen. Okay. Betäubungsmittelverschreibungs verordnung. Is that right? Let's try it one more time. Betäubungsmittelverschreibungs Ordnung. Let's check. Let's hear.
Betäubungsmittelverschreibungsverordnung.
We say Hähnchen, right? Hey, A.
Betäubungsmittelverschreibungsverordnung. Betäubungsmittelverschreibungsverordnung.
Von Betäubungsmittelverschreibungsverordnung.
Betäubungsmittelverschreibungsverordnung.
Okay, one more time. Betäubungsmittelverschreibungsverordnung. Narcotics Prescription Ordinance. Wow, whoever gave this, you did a research. Okay, anyways, let's go to the next one. Bezirksschornsteinfegermeister. Bezirksschornsteinfegermeister. And if this is not right, I'm not doing German from now on.
Bezirksschornsteinfegermeister.
Fegermeister, okay. Bezirksschornsteinfegermeister.
Bezirksschornsteinfegermeister.
And this means district chimney sweep. What? Do Germans even use these words? How can you remember these words? Okay, next. Oh god. Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesell schaftskapitän. Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesell schaftskapitän. Let's see.
Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaftskapitän.
Schiffahrtsgesellschaft. It's not Schifffahrts. It's Schifffahrts. Oh my god.
Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaftskapitän.
But we did right. Donaudampfschifffahrtsgesellschaftskapitän. Okay, not bad. And it means Danube. Okay. I just embarrassed myself. I can't even read English now. Oh my god. Danube Steamship Company Captain. Yeah, I knew what is Kapitän. I knew what is Gesellschaft, but I did not know. Okay, I even knew what is Schifffahrts. Okay, so yeah, okay, fine. Embarrassment 101. Okay, next. Okay, this is the biggest one I have seen so far. And this is given by Saumitra. We did A2 and B1 together. Yeah, A2 and B1 together. So let's see. Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachungsaufgaben Übertragungsgesetz. Was that right? Was that right, Saumitra?
Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz.
What? One more time.
Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz.
Wachungs. Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachungsaufgabenübertragungsgesetz. Even if I have listened it so many times, it's still hard because it's like, what do we say? Tongue twister. Okay, next one is easy. 555. Okay, one more thing. If you're new, if you're learning German or if you're a beginner, it's always so, like TS, so. I have one more question. Like, I know that depending upon what region and where Germans live, they pronounce it as sich, like sure, or they pronounce it as sick. So like G. So what do you pronounce? Because I have been taught sure, like sich. So So let me know in the comment section, what do you pronounce? How do you pronounce? Sh or g? Like sish or seek? Okay, anyways, next word is given by my professor, my college professor. Fingerspitzengefühl. Did I say it right? Fingerspitzengefühl.
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 Fingerspitzengefühl. Fingerspitzengefühl.
Fingerspitzengefühl.
Fingergefühl. Fühl. Fühl. Fingerspitzengefühl.
Fingerspitzengefühl.
Fühl. 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 I'm sorry if that was a little cringy for you guys, but I do that. I do that.
Feel, feel, feel.
Okay, next. We chin Quietscheentschen. Quietscheentschen. Is that right?
Quietscheentschen.
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 Quietscheentschen. Okay, not bad. I didn't at least do something. I didn't at least pronounce it like a whole different word, but okay. We were close. We were close. Okay, I am damn sure next is not German. It has pneumono with. Doesn't that sound like pneumonia? Like pneumono, that's the word. And then we have volcano, and then we have silico. Are you guys trying to pull my leg or something? Is this even German? Okay, let's try. Pneumono ultra. This is better. I was dividing the word in a very wrong way. Pneumonoultramicrascopicsilicovo Okay, let's try it one more time. I'm sorry.
Pneumonoultramicrascopicsilicovo Icanokoniosis.
Noi. Oh my god, yes, noi. New, like, the pronunciation is similar. One more time.
Pneumonoultramicrascopicsilicovo Icanokoniosis.
Volcano. Noi mono ultra microscope. It's still hard. Microscopic silico volcano coniosis. Okay, next. Let's try. Okay, we are at second last. Let's hope I don't embarrass, at least for the last two things. Kreuzschlitzschraubenzieher.
Kreuzschlitzschraubenzieher.
Okay, good. ठीक है. Last one. Pferdezug. It's related to something horse because Pferde is horse. Horse breeding.
Pferdezucht.
Anyways, we did all 15. I think I embarrassed myself a lot, and I hope you loved this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were laughing a lot. I don't know what I did in this entire video. I was even looking at the wrong direction while filming this entire thing, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram because I keep okay, because I keep posting such things, and I keep chatting with you guys, and I keep doing some quizzes. will see you in the next video. Until then, cheers.